What's up, folks? This is Wesley Billion Dollar Virgin with another how to make money online video here. What I'm going to show you is basically how to make up to $300 to $450. And all you need, okay, listen close. All you need is a computer, okay, or a cell phone and a PayPal account, okay? Does that make sense? So the name of the website is called cinchbucks. Here we go, cinchbucks.com. You see that? It's brand new. It's pretty new here, cinchbucks.com. Now listen, I would advise you to pull out your laptop right now, maybe in your bed, maybe you're at work right now, maybe in your vehicle, and do this with me because I'm going to walk you through the process, okay? First you need to do is go to cinchbucks.com and sign up for a free account. Like I said before, you got to have a PayPal account. Now I know what you guys are thinking. You might say, Wesley, I don't have a PayPal account. Listen, find somebody that has one and then you plug it in. And while you do the work, right, you make sure that they send you the cash. And if you watch the video to the very end, I'm going to show you a cool way on how to make autopilot money just like myself. And I make a lot of money. And I'm going to show you proof. I'm going to log into my actual account. Listen to me. Okay? Never, listen, come here, big head. Never believe anybody on video like this unless they log into their actual account and show you the money that they're making. Don't just believe a video like this, right? Make sure that they log. That's why I'm using my iPhone. I'm not going to edit this video. I'm probably going to put my name, Wesley $1 Billion Virgin, below. And that's it, right? I want to be transparent and I want to let you know this is real. This is not BS. That makes sense? Let's go! All right, here we go. All right, so let's get paid. Now listen, everybody can do this if you can get a PayPal account. All right, now basically, cinchbucks is a website that allows you to do surveys, play games, and they're gonna pay you money, okay? Now understand this, just for signing up, they give you 10 cinchbucks. Listen, let me show you something here. 100 cinchbucks equals $1. Now I know what you're thinking. Well, Wesley, how am I gonna make $400? Let me show you something. I reached out to this girl. Her name is Maria Shah, okay? And she wrote this little blog here. And she explains what she does. And I actually talked to her. I say, hey, are you actually making money? Is this working? She says, Wes, yes. And let me be transparent. She says this, look. She says, how much you really earn depends on the time you have to invest. But typically, I make $5 an hour. Painless work, and I have redeemed many times. So it means this, if you're working five, then let's do the math here. Let me pull out a calculator because I want you guys to understand that this is real and this is paying more money than your average job. Let me show you why. Okay, look here, this is my calculator, right? So if you're doing $5 an hour times 10 hours a day, say if you could do this 10 hours a day, that's $50 times 7 days a week. That's $350 a week. A lot of you don't even make that type of money, okay? And listen, some of you might say, well, I am making that type of money, but are you doing it in your bed? And I'm gonna show you a way. If you watch this video to the very end, I'm gonna show you how to get other people to do it as well. Is that cool? If I deserve a like, go ahead and smash the like. Let's go! But look at that. That's $350 per week. And listen, you can do more work. Look at here. This survey right here pays 38 cinchbucks. Right here, look at this. This right here, this pays 1,000 cinchbucks. Okay, that's $10 just to do it. This right here pays $9. Okay, so the thing is, it's up to you. Remember something. This is not going to make you $1 million, but it's up to you to do the work. Does that make sense? How many of you are willing to do the work? Listen. I don't care if they pay me $5 or $6 an hour. If I can sit at home and not fight traffic and not have to listen to a manager or a supervisor that I want to slap the hell, listen, I would do it at home. Okay? Because you can spend all day here. Okay, how do you redeem it in your account? So in here, you have a place where you can put your PayPal. And then here where it says earning history, okay? Your transaction will be here. And you just claim it. And they send it to your PayPal account. It's very simple, folks. Okay, is everybody with me so far? It's very simple here. Surveys, according to Maria here, right? This is Maria. She's about, I think Maria's like 21 years old. According to her, she recommends to use these surveys, okay? But listen, I know some of you play games. How many of you play games? You can go to play games here. Now look at all these games. And I'm pretty sure if you pay attention to this video here and look, one of these games you're playing, but you're not getting paid any money for. If you play these games under the cinch bucks, they will pay you, okay, every single time you play the game. Listen, stop playing games for free. See, a lot of you just don't realize. I know some of you skeptic. You know, you're like, oh, this is not going to work. No, it's not going to work. It's not. Listen, with that type of mindset, it'll never work for you. Okay, you'll always be broke and poor and average. And you'll always have the negative attitude towards people like me that's trying to show you. Like, this is, listen, I don't recommend anything that I'm not doing or that I know other people are doing. So I made sure I found somebody that is actually making money. Her name is Maria. She's right here. She wrote a cool article about it. Right? She's not making $1 million, but she's making $400 a week. How many of you are willing to do this? Okay? It's very easy to do. Now, go ahead and smash the like button if you want me to show you how to get somebody else to do it. That means you can lay in your bed, lay on your couch, never have, listen, this is what I want to do. How many of you make at least $2,000 per month? $3,000 per month? $4,000 per month? All you have to do is do the math, young people. You find out how many surveys you need to do per day to make the money that you're currently making on your job. If some of you, if you're not making no money, well, guess what? This is perfect for you. Does that make sense here? Okay. Now, pay attention here. Now, listen, if you want to go ahead and do something, smash the like button and sub. I will continue. I do these videos almost every day on the YouTube channel. This is on Instagram. All my YouTubers, comment below. Let me know where you're calling from. Let me know where your city and state. Because when you do that, then I am able to create more videos based off where you live. But if you don't do that, then I can't do it. Hey, I'm a millionaire mentor. I'm here to give back. You don't have to buy anything. But if you do want more help, I will leave a link in the description below. I will show you in 45 days flat how to make $10,000 per month by creating your own digital product. Disclaimer, you got to work. If you're lazy, it won't work. You got to work. You got to be close to me and you got to do everything I ask you to do. And there's no reason why if you go right here in 45 to 60 days, you will be making $10,000 per month. How do I know? I made $1 million. Okay. So I know you can do 10,000. So listen here. Okay. Go ahead and sub and smash the like button. And I want you to go to this one website if you want other people to do the work for you. Okay. It is called Fiverr.com. Okay. Go ahead and smash the like button right now if I'm giving you guys value. Listen, man, I'm doing this from the top of my heart. Like I told you guys before in my previous videos, I got one video that I show people how to make $1,000 per week without spending a dime. Go check that video out. But listen, I'm doing this because I want people to win. Okay. I know a lot of people, it's been affected by the coronavirus and everybody don't have money. Okay. So listen, you go to Fiverr.com, type in virtual assistant, because this is the guy that you're going to get to do all the work for you. Understand this. To be a company and a business, you must have other people working for you. You do not have a business unless you're making a paycheck every single day. Listen, without doing much work. Okay? Does that make sense? So if you got $10 or if you got $5, you can hire this person from India, from Pakistan, around the country here and say, hey, go to this site and I want you to do 50 surveys per day. Hello? Who's with me right now? Say, Wesley, I'm with you. Listen, this is how the great marketers do it. Okay? Poor people, you know what they do? They look at this video, they watch it, they do a little something. They go to the website, they sign up. As soon as they get one challenge, they quit and give up. Listen, for all my winners, and I know that's you pull out your calculator and you find out how many surveys that your Fiverr person, right? They're going to do it. They want to make money. Find out how much do they need to do. How many cinch bucks do you need to make 50 or $100 per day? Does that make sense? Okay? Listen, anybody can do this. All you need is a PayPal account. If you don't have one, find someone who has one. Don't give up. Be resilient. Listen, you can't make millions of dollars if you just give up on every challenge or problem that you see when you're watching a video like this. You got to grind, right? But at least you're grinding in your bed. And I'm not talking about the other type of grinding. Stop it, you nasty people. All right, listen. You do the math, right? You say, well, how much money do I want to make today? I want to make $50. That means you need, what, 5,000 or 50,000? Well, $100 is 100 is one. So that's about 50,000. So the thing is, you tell the Fiverr person here, I know 50,000 seems like a lot, but it's not. You tell that Fiverr person, say, hey, I don't want you to leave this website until you have available 50,000 cinch bucks, because it's going to pay you out $50. Does that make sense here? Okay. Hello, are you with me? Give me a thumbs up and smash the like button if I'm giving you massive value right now, which I know I am. And I know you feel that way. Listen, I want everybody to comment this word below. This is called leverage. Let me show you something, okay? Let me log into one of my accounts like I promised. Look, this is my digital store account. I want to show you that I'm not BSing you. This is the type of money I make. This is one account. As you can see, I have many accounts. I'm going to choose one, okay? Boom, boom, boom. I'm going to log in here. Now watch this. Boom, $3,000 today. So I want you to do the math. If I'm making $3,000 average per day, that's $90,000 to $100,000 a month. That's only one account. Hello? I wasn't always rich, but I had a high work ethic. I'm not super smart. I dropped out of college, right? I made bad grades in school. I got kicked out of the army. I've been to jail a few times. I had bad credit, but look at that. That's $100,000. They've paid me $1 million. This is a real account. You want to see another one? Okay. Because I know some of you say, Wesley, I want to link up with you right now. I want you to teach me how to do this. Okay. But look, don't click the link below until I show you this. I'm going to log into another account right now. Look at that. That's $4,000 a day. Look at that. That's 8/11. Look at that. Look at the time and date right now. I don't have to lie to you. This is transparency. I want you to understand that you can do this, but you got to start somewhere. Start here. Okay. Start here at Cinch Bucks. You see that? I want you to imagine bringing in money like this every single day, 4,000, 2,000. But guess what? It first started with my first $7. And I swear to God, I must have cried myself to sleep because I couldn't believe that I made $7 on the computer while I was sleeping on the air mattress here, reading books like a lot of you, reading books, meditating, trying to not watch TV, focusing on my goals. And guess what? It took place for me. Okay? Listen, you can do this. You can do this. Okay? I wasn't always the man that I am here today. This is why I'm giving everybody an opportunity to work with me if you want to. It's up to you. The link is in the description below. You don't have to click it, but listen. Imagine in 45 to 60 days being able to tell your boss or your job and say, hey, you know what? You can't afford to hire me any longer. And I want you to think about something. Think about that paycheck that you get every week or every 2 weeks. And I want you to take that paycheck in between your fingers and say, you know what? If this all I'm worth, when do you, I'm talking to you, decide that enough is enough? I had to make a decision too, and I made it later in life. It took me longer in my 30s to make my first million. Some of you are in your 20s right now. Can I get an amen? Some of you right now are living with your parents right now. Can I get an amen? Some of you are single moms right now at home. Can I get an amen? Some of you are fathers or dads or men right now, and you're looking for an opportunity. It's right here, and it's free. This video is free. Like, all you have to do is just get to work. Look, work just like Maria did. If Maria can do it, why can't you? Just get to work. Work, 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 work. If you don't want to do the work, pay somebody to do the work for you. That's what's called, that is called a business owner. Does that am I making sense here? Okay? And like I said before, hey, I always, under my videos on YouTube, smash the like button if you got massive value, but only smash the like button if you're going to actually take action. Don't keep watching videos like this and don't do nothing. Don't take that negative mindset of you and say, I can't do this. I'm too young. I'm too old. I don't understand. That's BS. That's a story that you keep telling yourself. Listen, you can do it and you will. You must. You have to. Do it for your children. Do it for your parents. Imagine your parents working every single day. My parents, they were working as janitors and they're 60 plus years old. And I wasn't having it. I told my parents they'll never work another day in their life. And they're not. Why? Because I took action on something that I saw online. I got away from my old debilitating negative friends. And I clicked it and I bought it and I got busy. I worked. I had an open mind and I dropped my excuses and I stopped making pathetic excuses about why I couldn't have it. Now you can have it. Listen, you don't have to click this link. You don't have to get involved with me, but it's available for you because I don't want you to ever say that you did not have an opportunity to change your life. Man, this internet here, it changed my entire life. Still thinking about it. Man, I'm making $1 million a month right now with all my companies. I'm so grateful to God. I'm so grateful. I'm so grateful. And now I want to pass it forward to you. But all you have to do is start somewhere. This is Wesley.